Life underwater. Do you know what life is like under the waves? A coral reef is one of the best places to go. The water is warm. There are lots of fish to see. However, few humans ever visit another part of the ocean, the deep sea. It is a cold, strange world. It is very different from a coral reef. Creatures of the sea. Coral reefs are called the rainforests of the ocean. The largest reef in the world is the massive Great Barrier Reef, which is 1,240 miles long. Billions of corals created this. Bright colors and many shapes come alive in the sunlight that shines on the reef. Coral reefs are not far from land. Sunlight allows plants and animals to live there. The reef provides a nice warm home for all kinds of living things. Animals, called coral, form the reef. They leave the hard part of their bodies when they die. A large reef is made from many of these tiny body parts. Some coral form huge round shapes or mounds. Some form shapes that look like animal horns. The deep sea is very different from a coral reef. The deepest part of the ocean floor is mostly flat, but there are also mountains taller than any on land. There are valleys almost 7 miles deep. The water temperature is near freezing. The weight of miles and miles of water above would easily crush a car. And yet, many types of creatures are able to live there. Huge crabs, starfish, and worms survive in the deep sea. Ocean life survival. On coral reefs, animals also depend on other animals and plants to live. Small fish hide from big fish in the coral. Long and thin eels wait in the holes. They shoot out and grab a meal. Fish scrape food off the coral with their teeth. Seagrasses offer food to turtles, crabs, and fish. Life on the bottom of the ocean depends on marine snow. Tiny bits of animals and plants sink downward from above. Giant barrel sponges 6 feet long eat those non-living animals and plants. Odd animals that look like flowers also feed on this snow. There is no sunlight, so green plants cannot grow there. Will they have the same fate? The deep ocean is very different from a coral reef. Near the ocean floor, animals survive in very cold water and without sunlight. However, ocean life everywhere might be in trouble. Coral reefs are dying off. Ocean water is getting hotter. Dirt is washing into the ocean. Perhaps only the strong creatures in the deepest and most unfriendly waters will be successful and survive.